Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your financial health with Mint step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Mint website. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. After signing up, follow the prompts to set up your account. If you have an account, click on Log In and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Mint dashboard. To verify your financial health, locate the Accounts tab. Click on the Add Account button to link your bank accounts and credit cards. Follow the instructions to securely connect each financial account. Mint will automatically import your transaction history and account balances. Next, navigate to the Dashboard section. Here, you will see an overview of your financial health. Check the Net Worth section to understand your assets and liabilities. Review the Budget section to see your spending categories. Set spending limits for each category if you haven't done so. Look for the Goals tab to set up financial goals such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Explore the Alerts feature to receive notifications about your finances. Examine the Trends section to track your spending habits over time. Use the insights provided to make informed adjustments to your budget. Regularly revisit the dashboard to stay updated on your financial health. Continuously review and adjust your budget as necessary to meet your goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.